One. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, everyone. Welcome to my live. This is African Lioness TV. Welcome to my live, guys. Welcome to my live. If you are new here, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome if you are new here, guys. Today's video is a quick one. Let's wait a little bit for some people to come up. Let's wait a little bit for some people to join us, guys. Let's wait a little bit. Welcome on board. Welcome to my channel. This is African Lioness TV. Let's discuss. Let us talk about it. So we are waiting a little bit. Let's wait for some people to join us. Let's talk about the Igbo King. Welcome on board. I can see someone has joined us. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait some more for more people to join. Yeah, let's wait for more people to join, guys. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. So let's wait for more people to join. Let's wait a little bit for some people to join us, guys, so that we will start. Welcome on board. Let us talk about it too. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. Welcome on board. Let us talk about the Igbo people in Ghana, Igbo chief, Igbo Eze ndị Igbo in Ghana. Welcome on board, guys. Welcome on board. Let's talk about this Eze ndị Igbo in Ghana. Yes, a lot has been going on. A lot of people have been saying all sorts of things, saying a lot. But I just watched few videos, and that's what made me to come here to do some clarifications. Okay, yeah, so to do some clarifications. So many people, they are really misunderstanding the whole thing. This is a mere misunderstanding. It is a mere misunderstanding. You know, that is not the way they feel it is. That is not what that man meant. You know, everybody is saying their own. Oh, Igbo King in Ghana, Igbo King in Ghana. So many questions are coming up. Did he bought the land? Did he acquire the land? But I have not seen anybody that answered that question. Did he acquire the land? So, and on this video, I'm going to show you guys other people, other African people that also bought land and built their empire, built their estates, built their villages in Nigeria. I'm going to share it to you people, because when they're talking about, oh, Igbo people, oh, they went to another man's land. Why did the Igbo people went to another man's land to build their empire? It is not new. It's not a new thing that somebody will go to another person's land and build village. Yes, it's not a new thing. It is not a new thing. My Ghanaian friends and my Ghanaian family, It's not a new thing that somebody will go to a foreign country or outside your own country and buy land. It's not new. This Nigerian man, this Igbo man, is not the first person that have done this before. I will show you people a Gambian man who built the highest estate in Nigeria, in River State, Port Harcourt. I'm going to show you people on this video. Yes, I'm going to show you people on this video. Because anything that Igbo man do, that will be the what everybody will hold hand, and they will be saying everything they want to say. You see, let me show you. Let me show you people this video. Let me show you this video. Let me show you. Let me show you this video. You guys have to see this video, because if you don't see, you will not understand.
And if you go back now and bring those two together, the time at our generation and now,
Watch.
I would advise that you should pick up a job.
This is a Gambian man.
Be employed, and whilst you are employed, make those mistakes, learn in it. I did my apprenticeship for 15 years before I started my own business. There will be a natural flow. I mean, if you are employed and you're doing well, naturally you'll get to a point where you realize that, yes, now you can take the bull by the horn and run your business.
So at what point do you say, you know what? I've been so good at this. I've been doing this. I've learned this like trade for about 15 years. Now I should start my own.
Before I even set up Tough Construction, I used to do private jobs while I was working for others. And that I negotiated with my employer. As I was doing my private jobs, I delivered some jobs very well. So people know who I was, and therefore they gave me jobs. Jobs were coming to me.
You see?
Let me understand. Tough Construction pretty much started because
you see, this is a Gambian man. This man is a Gambian man in Nigeria. River State, Port Harcourt, that's where he built his empire.
And then I expanded, obviously, because business was coming in. So later I called the Tough Holding Company. Because from construction alone, I saw an opportunity to start selling building materials. So I started importing building materials. So I have Tough building materials. And then I started buying plants, and people wanted to hire my plant.
You see it?
So that was Tough plant hire.
You can see it. This man is a Gambian man. This man is a Gambian man. Built his empire in Nigeria.
So my business was registered in 1990, but it was only in 2008 that I started really having a good corporate structure.
What was your first big project that when you got it, you was like, wow?
Yeah, big was relative, but one that really had an impact was in 1995 after the coup d'etat by Yaya Jammeh. My biggest project in the Jawara regime was $1.4 million. And that was to build the Women's Bureau on Marina Parade. It's still standing there. When the Jammeh regime came after the coup d'etat, they got some money from Taiwan and wanted to build some schools. I was given
this man is from Gambia. This is not a Nigerian. And he built his empire in Nigeria. He built his empire in Nigeria. Okay? And now, everybody, they said people are doing protests because a Nigerian man bought land in Ghana and said that he want to build the empire. He want to build a village. This man you are seeing here, they are interviewing this man. This is a Gambian man. He built the biggest estate in Nigeria, Port Harcourt, River State. So is he not a human being? Is he not a human being? He built it in Nigeria. This one is not abroad, though. Is not abroad. This one is not abroad. This is in Nigeria. Because when they are doing all this shouting, they are doing all these things they are saying on internet, you people will think that is only it. Look at the state. This man built this thing in Nigeria. This is a Gambian man. He built this empire in Nigeria. He built his empire in Nigeria. You can see it. This man built his empire in Nigeria. Nobody is disturbing him. Nobody is protesting. Nothing. But Ghana people are protesting because their own brother built bought land. He has not even, he didn't even build, he didn't even proceed on that project sef. The man he has already said he did not proceed on it. They did not even approve it to come to fruition. You know, all the plans was aborted. Yet they say because he has said it, because he has said it, then he's not gonna breathe again, right? Because he has said it. Hey, why are human being? This is Nigeria. A Gambian man built this thing in Nigeria. A Gambian man built this village in Nigeria, built his empire in Nigeria. You know, people are talking on internet as if they don't do research. People don't do research and they don't read. If you do your research, look at it. See what a Gambian man built this estate in Nigeria. A Gambian man, the highest estate in Port Harcourt, River State. A Gambian man built this empire in Nigeria, and nobody is disturbing him. Nobody is disturbing him. Yet, every day you turn on your phone or what, you'll be seeing Nigeria must go, Igbo must go. Igbo must go where? Has this Gambian man left Nigeria? And again, they also in Gambia, they have Ghana village. They have Ghana village. Landlord, travel and see. They have Ghana village in Gambia also. They have Ghana village in Gambia. Landlord, I have to travel and see. You know, they're attacking Igbo people must go. Igbo people must go. Go where? Those, what of the Ghana people in Nigeria? Go to Yaba, you will see Ghana village. Go to Yaba, Lagos. There's Ghana village in Yaba, Lagos. You know, every part of Nigeria, you see Ghanaians. They have their businesses. They have their everything. Their girls are married to our guys. You know, some of our guys too marry their girls. You can't stop this. You can't stop it. You cannot. Nobody can stop this. Nobody can stop it. This has been from time immemorial. So this one you people are doing now, I don't understand it. Look at the empire. Look at the empire a Gambian man built in Nigeria. Look at it. It's not a joke. This is life in Nigeria. Life in Nigeria. A Gambian man built his empire in Nigeria. So it's not a new thing that somebody, anywhere you live for a very long time, they say if you open internet, some will say, oh, this man that the man came to Ghana for over 30 years. Somebody who came to Ghana for over 30 years, for crying out loud. Now you say the man must go. Now you say the man must go. Okay, because Ghana is your land. What of Ghana people outside Ghana? When you are saying this, did you consider Ghana people outside Ghana? Did you consider Ghana people outside Ghana? You know, there's one lady I watched what she was saying a lot of stuff. You know, a Yoruba lady. She was saying all sort of things. That Igbo people, she's married to Ghana, to Ghanaians. She's married there. She has children there. Now she cannot talk down on the Igbos. She cannot talk down on the Igbos because their paymasters have paid them to go to internet. You know that now is the era of politics. It is the era of politics where everybody will now go and collect money left and right center from their paymasters. And next thing you will see, boom, they will all go online, buy data, because they have already, paymasters have paid them to take money, go buy data, and start, condemning, start, talking down on other tribes. This is the era of politics. This is the era of politics, so people can now use it to do anything. Like we know what happened 2023 now. We know what happened 2023. You see, 2027 never reach, oh, but now they don't already they have already started doing their abracadabra that they do. You know, can you imagine? One lady I saw what she was saying. You know, Igbo people, they are not loved in Nigeria. You are in Ghana and you are telling people that online, saying it on your platform, they are not loved in Nigeria. For what now? This man, okay, this some one person did something. What are you supposed to do? If somebody commits crime or do anything that is not good, what are you supposed to do? Invite the person. What you supposed to do? Invite the person. You know, personalize it. Invite the person. If somebody err or do something that is not good, what you supposed to do is invite the person. When you invite the person, then the process continues. That is the rule of law they are talking about. That is the rule of law they are talking about. If somebody do something that is not all right, what you're supposed to do is you invite the person, then the person come and explain him or herself. It's not that you did not invite the person, you are not generalizing it. Oh, all Igbo people are this, Igbo people are that. Who does that now? Who does that? Who does that? That you will generalize something and you'll be tagging a whole tribe. You'll be tagging them this, tagging them that. For what? For what? For what? For crying out loud. Are you the best? They say don't throw a stone on a glass house because you don't know who is gonna hit on the head. You know, when I saw one comment on Facebook and I made a comment. Somebody, one Ghana guy, he came and was like replying my comment. He replied my comment in that we should tell the guy, that they are going to teach him lesson. They are going to do that. They are going to. You better tell him. Really? They were saying that they have invited him and they have put him behind bars. I now wrote on that text. I said, "Oh, for what offense? What offense did the man committed? What did they say the man did that they now? What was his offense? You know." That was my question. The guy started replying me that we should tell him this and that. By the time they are done with him, this and oh my God. Imagine, nobody knows tomorrow. That's what I'm saying. Other people maybe say sugarcoating. I don't sugarcoat anything. I will not sugarcoat nothing. Okay? So the truth is glaring. The truth, the man bought the land, right? Did he acquire the land? Yes or no? Did the man acquire the land? Yes or no? That is what is there. Did he acquire the land? Yes or no? The man acquired the land, right? So if you put your market for sale and somebody will come and buy it, then later on you come and say the person bought a lot of land. He bought a lot of acres. Because of that, this and that, he will not build what he want to build. You will not decide, you will not tell the person what he or she want to use it for. He said he want to build a village for his people. So you guys thought that this man will build a village, then every Igbo man that come, he will take one house and dash the person. Who does that? So you think that man can do that? Any human being can even do that? Who will do that? Who can do that? His money. They say that man was selling cassette. You can see how much somebody spent from the time selling cassette. So for somebody to sell cassette to the extent to save money to get to this stage. You know how long the man have really hustled for life. Then you are saying that, oh, he bought acres of land. Why is he building a village for his people? One Yoruba lady, she just made a video. She said The man bought the land for his tribe. Now that the problem has come, and the man is now saying, generalizing it Nigeria. You see how we are dividing it. Oh, we are not the people dividing Nigeria. The lady said, now that the problem has come, that the man now is generalizing it Nigeria. So what do you want him to say again before? He said that when he bought the land, he was thinking of building it for only him and his tribe. How can? How can he build it only him and his tribe? Is it not his business? You know, real estate, when you build it, anybody that pay you the amount you like, that's who you're gonna give it. He may boast and say whatever, but when he finished building, who has seen anybody on this earth, one man, one person will just buy plenty land and build it for free for people? Who has ever seen that? Who does that? Who can do that on this earth? People are just talking anyhow. you know People are just talking anyhow. That's not right. We all are adults. We know what is right and what is not, what people can do and what people cannot do. The man may say, oh, I will do this, I'll do that. Have you seen anybody bought land with his money, build it, finish, and start dashing it, start sharing it to people? Has anybody does that in life? I have not seen. If you have seen, let us know. You see, there are Ghana people in Nigeria that built estate. Go to Abuja and see them. Go to Abuja, go to Lagos and see them. There are a lot of Ghana people have plenty businesses in Nigeria. In America, we have a Ghana village in America. In Gambia, we have Ghana community, and that Ghana village in Gambia, they are 98% Ghanaians. Only Ghana people live in the whole of that community. Only Ghana live in the whole of that community in Gambia. I will show you people. Let me bring it and show you. Let me bring it and show you. Let me bring it and show you. Show you Ghana Empire, Ghana Kingdom in Gambia. Let me show you people. It's not a joke. Let me show you. People will just be doing as if it's something that nobody has ever done in life. But them Ghana also have done it in other people's country, and it's okay by them. You see, it's okay by them. But if it's another country, then it's not okay. If it's another people like the Nigerians and the Igbos, it's not okay. But if it's other country, it's okay. Ghana town, Brewfoot. Look at it. Ghana town, Brewfoot, the Gambia. Look at it. See it. Let me show you guys. This is it. Go and Google it. Google it. Ghana town, Brewfoot, the Gambia. This thing is in Gambia. Oh. Na Ghana. Oh. This one I know. We are not talking about in Nigeria. Ghana man went to Gambia. They bought land. They said they went there 1958. That's when their grandfather and great grandfather traveled to Gambia and established their empire there. They are still there now as I speak. As I speak, they are still there now as I speak. Now, these people, some ignorant people are not saying that their fellow Africans, fellow brothers, fellow sisters cannot, acquire land and build house. Who does that now? What of the Ghanaians in Nigeria? These people in Gambia, are you going to tell them now, to all of them, to come back to Ghana? Are you going to tell this kingdom to relocate back to Ghana? They went there with their culture. These people went to Gambia with their culture. They went to Gambia with their culture. They carried their culture, went there. They have their kings. They have their chiefs. They have their everything there. They have their women and children. The whole of the community there they are all Ghana. You will not see this one, oh. You will not see it, but you will see Igbos in Ghana, right? You will see Igbos in Ghana. It's those people that are sugarcoating things. Me, I don't sugarcoat anything, okay? Because what that man did or wanted to do in Ghana, Ghana people have done it multiple times in other countries. You know, let it sink on anybody's ear. Let it sink on anybody's ear. Look at it. Ghana town, Brewfoot, the Gambia. This thing is in Gambia. Oh. Ghana people built their empire in Gambia. Look at it very well. See it here. This is Ghana village in Gambia, another country. You know, this is it, oh, in Gambia. Ghana people built their empire, their kingdom in Gambia. This place you are seeing is Ghana. They speak Ghana language. They went there, carry their culture along with them, carry their animals, carry their everything, carry their husband and wife, carry their children, you know, carry their concubine, all of them. They carry all of them ahead they headed to Gambia, settled down in Gambia since 1958. Go and check your history. Go and check your history. Go and check your history. Check your history. Since 1958, these people relocated to Gambia, and they are speaking their language. You know, why are we like this? Ghana people, they have been calling African Americans, come home, come home. Ghana is the center of the motherland, you know, the center of homecoming. This is the place that receives everybody that want to come home. Ghana is peaceful. Ghana is this. Ghana is that. Now you can't accommodate your neighbor. You know, all the Chinese people that came there, Chinese allegedly have bought almost half of Ghana. And you cannot see that one. You cannot see it. What you will see is your neighbor, because you know them very well. It's not good though. It is not good at all. Because if Ghana people, if they don't travel to another country and build their empire and build their kingdom and carry their culture, they crown their kings, they crown their queens, they carry their culture, their food, their everything. You know, which day I was watching what the Maya's video. Which day I was watching his video, I saw where they gave him Maya Street in Lagos. Maya Street in Lagos. You see, why are we like this? Why are we like this? Even Maya has a street in Lagos, Maya Street in Lagos. We Nigerians are not this discriminative like this. So this Ghana people own is like, I don't really know what to call it. I don't know what to call it. Somebody, a foreigner, a visitor, your brother, travel to your country and establish, marry your daughter. And what of that your daughter, the wife of this man now, she is a citizen of Ghana. So she don't have right in her father's land, right? The wife of this man, is she not also part of the owner of that land we are talking about? And again, my question is this man going to carry this land and go to Nigeria any day? Is he going to carry this land, go to Nigeria any day? The man got married to, this man got married to a Ghana lady, and they gave birth to children. What my question is that lady, that Ghana lady, now the man married, is she not a citizen of Ghana? Does she not have rights on that land? Don't she have rights? She's a part of the woman is part of the owner of the land. Just that they are joint. Husband and wife is one. Igbo people don't stay outside. Even if they kpai, they will still carry their corpse go back home. So there is no way that man will say, oh, in his life, he's not going to go back to his root. Nobody does that. No Igbo man or woman does that. Anywhere Igbo man is, anywhere you live, when your old age, you are going back to your country. Anywhere. Ask, make inquiry. Even if he's a poor man, hence his wish is, please, when I buy, make sure that I go home. You will see all Igbos everywhere they are contribute money, make sure that they send the person back home, because that's his wish. You know, nobody carry land on the head. Nobody carries land on the head. Nobody carries land on the head. You know, all of us, we came to this world and met all these things. It is politicians that divide, call this one Nigeria, call this one Ghana, this one Kenya, this one America, this one. This world, God created this world one time without giving any name to anywhere. It is wicked human being like me and you watching me. Wicked people like everybody here. You know, everybody on this planet Earth. Wicked people. They are the people that divide and subdivide. Especially now that politics is on the air in Nigeria. Politics is on air in Nigeria. So you can see that all of them, everybody is now doing here and there, playing their normal game as they want. You see? You know, everybody is playing game. You know, paying people. You pay bloggers. You pay these people. Say, go and spoil their name. From now, start talking about Igbo people. Talk, gaslight. Keep gaslighting left and right. What are we going to gain? When you gaslight finish, Shebi boo has passed. Abi? Shebi, that one don't pass now. Abi? So, like that, both me and anybody, we go still kpai one day. Whether somebody kpai you or you kpai by yourself, one day nature go still come and kpai you. That one day certain for me and you. You know? So nobody go dey permanent on this earth. People they talk then they talk on internet. They talk. So one person did something, you generalize it to a whole tribe. Why now? Who does that? You have your rule of law. If the man break law, hold him accountable. You know, if anybody break the law, hold that person accountable. Invite the person normally. You know, invite the person normally. He is not a hidden person. I don't even know. The man is not even known self in Igbo land. Nobody even know the man. If not this one they are talking now, nobody even knows this man self. Nobody knows him. I've not even heard his name before. If not this thing they are saying now. You know, Ghana people built their empire in Gambia. See it. Ghana man built this thing. They built this empire in Gambia and settled here since 1958. They went there to do fishery. Since that time, they have been there till now. Ghana people, they don't read history. They don't read history. If you read history, you won't be persecuting your visitor. You know, foreigner in your country, you won't be mistreating the person. You won't be mistreating anybody. See, come here, come in America. Come to America and see. Go to Virginia. Igbo people have Igbo village. Igbo people have Igbo village. Even the Americans here, they sponsor that place. It's a tourist place. When you go there, it's like village. It's like really village. There's nothing you cannot see there. Everything you see in Igbo land is in that particular village. And they have different villages here, different places, and they don't pose any danger, any threat or any danger to anybody. You know, People go their business, do their business on this earth, that we are all visitors here. We are all visitors here now. Eh? We are all visitors here. Everybody should understand that we are all visitors. Everybody should understand that we, all of us here, we are all visitors. One day, everybody will go. Everybody will still leave this world one day and go. Your visitor, your a visitor that have lived in your country for over 30 years. Now you say, hey, Igbo must go. Igbo must go, which means you have been nursing something for Igbo people for a long time. Because one person, because if somebody or somebody commit crime, you hold that person accountable. You invite the person. Yeah. Invite the person. And the Ghana people also do no tribe, no country, no that is free of corruption or free of crime. No country, no tribe, nowhere that is free of corruption. But I'm not supporting anything corruption. I cannot support corruption. I cannot support criminality. But this man we are talking about, he used his money. His money, he used his money and bought whatever he bought. But the man he said the thing was not, it didn't work out. So he did not buy it at the end of the day. And this thing happened 2013. This thing happened long time, 2013, almost how many years ago now? It's almost a decade now. This thing happened. And now, internet don't forget. Internet doesn't forget. Maybe somebody one day, now that politics is on air in Nigeria, somebody they have been looking forward to tarnish the image of the Igbos, so that Igbos will not have any support everywhere in the world. Wow. All these things are on this earth. It's not crossing anywhere. All these things are on this earth. Shebi the former president now is gone. He's gone, right? Likewise, me and you will go one day. So all these things they are doing, it's on this earth. You're not going to carry it to anywhere across the roof. No. Everything is here. So that we just be mindful of what we say. Let us be mindful of what we say, guys. Igbo man want to buy the whole Ghana. How now? People are protesting. People are marching on the street. If they ask you, what are you marching on the street for? You say, oh, because they say one Igbo man want to buy Ghana. One man want to buy Ghana. Hey. Ew. I laugh in Latin. I laugh in Latin. I laugh in Latin because it's laughable. It's laughable. How can somebody just, even if you wake up one morning, they say, oh, one Igbo man want to buy Ghana because he want to build his kingdom there, and now he will bring his people because they are persecuting them. Is there any way they will pursue people from Nigeria? All of them will just run and carry their bag like this. Waka, hey, we are running to Ghana. We are running to Ghana. You now run to Ghana. Is it not from fry pan to fire? Person run comot from Nigeria, come run go to Ghana. Na people wey wan run go there sef. Na people wey run wan go there. Ghana and Nigeria, what is the difference? Ghana and Nigeria, what's the difference? Apart from population, what is the difference? Apart from population, what is the difference between Ghana and Nigeria? Culture, food, everything. They marry themselves. They do business together. Somebody can travel now to Ghana this morning and come back from Nigeria the same day. So what is the difference between Nigeria and Ghana? That's my question. Apart from population, what is the difference? If you see any crime going on in Nigeria, the same crime is also in Ghana. Because they share culture, they share boundary, they share everything. People don't be clouded. People are gaslighting. If you know that, oh, Igbo people are this, the people, they are marginalized in Nigeria, they are not comfortable with that, and because of that, people are now gaslighting people outside the country, our neighboring country, to to be quarreling us too. Why? That's not right. That's not right. That's not right at all. We know that politics is on air in Nigeria now. Politics is on air. They pay masters. They are paying left and right center. They are paying even bloggers. They are paying them. Go and tarnish their image so that nobody will support them. That will not make God not support anybody that God want to support. God will still support. And you and I, one day, we will all leave this race and go. Whether you kpai naturally o, whether person kpai you o, one day nature go come kpai. Nature go come kpai person. The man marry una daughter. He marry una daughter. No be una daughter get that land. Is it not that your daughter that is the owner of the land? The other day I watch one Nigerian man. That man, I don't know what side of Nigeria he came from. I saw that Nigerian man on one of the social medias. The man is residing in Europe. Yeah, in UK. He bought plenty acres of land. He used it to build hotel. He has ranch where he raised cows. He built different things on that his empire there. There's nothing. He married the one white lady, but they bought plenty acres of land. This is a Nigerian man, that traveled to UK. He now bought that acres of land, then established there, built his hotel there, built Airbnb, built different things, have farm, have ranch. Nobody is disturbing. This is what happened all over the world. Ghana people have been campaigning. People, come home, come home. African Americans, come home. Africans, anywhere you are, you need space. Come home. We have space for you. Go to internet, you see them. So all those things they are saying, they are just saying it. The thing did not sink well with them. So you're inviting people to come home, right? You're inviting people to come home, but you don't want them to now acquire their own home where they will stay and be comfortable. So you want them to come and stand with one leg. You want somebody to come home, then the person is still not at home. The person will not still feel at home. You are calling people, come from here, come from here. See, Chinese people, a lot of them now in Ghana. What are you going to do to them? See them, see everywhere. They have dominated. Allegedly, even Chinese, they have bought almost half of Ghana. But you people will not see that one talk. See Gambia man in River State, Nigeria. A man from Gambia. He built his empire in Nigeria. Look at this man. Let me show you people. See. Wait, let me make it bold. Let me make it bold so that you can see it clearly. You see this man? This is a Gambian. This man is from Gambia. This man is from Gambia. He built his empire in Nigeria, in Port Harcourt, River State. That is where this man built his empire. This man is from Gambia. He built his empire in Nigeria. All these things he's showing you is his empire, is his kingdom, is his estate. He's making huge amount of money in Nigeria. Oh, this thing is in Nigeria. Oh, this thing you are seeing is in Nigeria. This is not abroad. Oh, this is Nigeria. Oh, Ghana people, come here, gather here, come and see this man. Because you see Nigeria finish. You see Igbo people finish. That's why you can talk anyhow. You see him? You see Nigeria finish. This one now where this man build in Nigeria, who is disturbing him? Who is disturbing this man now? Who is disturbing him? It's only God. Look at it. You see the kind of empire this man built in Nigeria. This is Nigeria. Oh, I know why I'm showing you people this video. So that you, landlord, you have to travel and see. Landlord, travel and see. When one man will do something, when one man, you feel that the man did something to you, instead of you to call his attention. See what a Gambian man built in Nigeria. See empire a Gambian man built in Nigeria, Port Harcourt, River State. This thing you are seeing, this man is not Oyibo man. Oh. This is not Oyibo man. This is an African man. This is a Gambian man. He built this thing from scratch. He live in Nigeria. So what is that thing that this man did that nobody has done before? This is a Gambian man. He built his empire. He built his kingdom. He built his village. He built his community in Nigeria. I know that many of you will not like this video because this video is exposing a lot of things. Una no go like am. Make una no like. But I'll go show you now. Make una see, say, landlord, travel and see. This is Gambian man, oh. You know? Now Gambian man be this. He built this empire in Nigeria. Landlord, travel and see. We no go hear word for now. You know? We no go hear word for now. I'll also bring this thing. Let me get where Ghana people built their empire in Gambia. Let me also bring where Ghanaians built their empire in Gambia. Let me bring it. You know, internet don't forget. Internet can never forget. As far as you're a human being on this earth, you're entitled to live anywhere you want to live on this earth. You know? You know, as far as you're a human being, you're entitled to live anywhere you want to live. This is why a Gambian man, see it, this one is not makeup. Why a Gambian man is building affordable homes in Nigeria. Look at it. I'm going to get where Ghana people, Ghana themselves, where they established their kingdom in Gambia. Let me bring it. I'm going to bring it now. Because this thing is getting too much. Ghana village. Okay, Ghana village in Gambia. Yeah. Ghana village. Landlord, travel and see. Ghana village. Look at it. See it? You see Ghana village in Gambia? I'm going to show you guys. It's on internet. You can Google it. You can as well Google it and see. I don't tell lies. You know? And I will put it so that you will hear. I will increase the volume.
Most people live here to Ghana. Some go there to spend 10 years.
Wait.
Why do you think we have less
Oh my God. Hold on.
Why do you think?
Hold on 1 second.
Less billionaires in Africa?
This is what they Maya.
We cannot have billionaires. Well, it's difficult to have billionaires. And most of our business.
This is where Ghana people gather here. Oh, Ghana people built their empire in Gambia. This is Ghana village.
The population of million? Yeah, 30 million. 30 million. So it's not much. So the economy is not big enough.
Credit to what they Maya.
Nigeria, yes. The population is big enough to create billionaire, and they have the wealth, they have the natural resources. I mean,
Una they hear them?
will tell you all the private sector.
This is Ghana, oh.
But let me tell you one
In
thing.
Gambia, in another man's country. Landlord, travel and see.
Somebody in the private sector, makes that amount of money, and the politicians are scared of him because they think his next step is politics. So they don't want you to be that rich so that you have that control. And also, but we've seen it. We've seen some people, once they make the money, the next thing they want to do is to get into politics.
Una they hear them?
So again, vice versa, the politicians, when they make money in politics, they want to go into business. So I would advise the businessmen, please stay in business. Politicians, please stay in politics. I am staying in business. I am not going anywhere close to politics.
Na Ghana be this, oh. No be for Ghana land, oh.
Makes me feel so proud as an African. You know why? Because he's a man that believes in Africa, believes in Africans, and most importantly, he believes that a black man is capable of managing his own affairs. Yes, everything I have was made in Africa. I was born in Africa, raised in Africa, and made in Africa. So does it mean that it's possible to make it in Africa as an African? It's very possible as an African. And we've seen so many Africans who's made their wealth in Africa. So why do Africans feel like it's not possible to make it in Africa? Well, the game of football. Let's take the game of football. In the game of football, the ball is there and it's for 22 of you. Anybody who has the ball has to go for the ball. So you go for the opportunities. There are opportunities.
Una they see them?
Some see it as a challenge. People like us, we see it as an opportunity. I feel like if you're watching this video, we should all come together and give you a round of applause.
Credit to what they Maya.
Your hands, just like this video, to appreciate a man with integrity.
I beg, if una watch and finish, go to what the Maya's page and watch it. Watch it in full. I'll just give you a clips of it.
This was his vision. Over the next 20 years is to develop 1 million homes across sub-Saharan Africa. And that's why we're in Nigeria. I've known him for the past
Okay, this
years,
one is that of
and I must
Nigeria.
confess, Taff always walk the talk. Within a space of 3 years, he returned to Gambia to build Taff City. The clusters of estates are being built. By December this year, inshallah, the whole estate will be ready and people will be living here. There you go. Go on. Wow.
A Gambian man, oh.
Sustainable, affordable housing. With our development, number one is sustainability. So obviously with the environment, you saw what's happening in Dubai. Yeah. With rain and everything. Here in West Africa, you notice the heat. So we really need to plant as many trees as possible. So what we do, the general formula.
So you people cannot see that
House that we build.
that is not only Igbo man. It's not only Igbo man that bought land to build village. You can see it now that it's not only Igbo man that bought land in another man's country to build a village. That many other African countries, they have done it, even in Nigeria. This man is in Nigeria. This man is in Nigeria, building all this. He's a Gambian man building all this. See what he built in Nigeria. See, you see what a Gambian man built in Nigeria. You see it? You see it? I want to bring Ghana, what Ghana people, Ghanaian people, what they built in Gambia too. I want to bring it. Because when you are in your place, you think that you don't know what is happening on another place. You'll be thinking that, Nigeria people, Igbo people come to Ghana. What of Ghana people that travel to another country to build empire there, to build their kingdom there, and they are still living there? These people that left Ghana since 1958 went to Gambia and built Ghana village in Gambia. Let me bring Ghana town. Ghana town in Gambia. I must get it now. I must get it. Yeah. Here is it. Here is it. I got it. Let me make it talk. Let me increase.
Okay. Ghana is history.
Okay, oh.
See,
See your Ghana brothers.
Ghana
And
history, it's one of the, I can say, the richest history so far, because people used to say, how comes Ghana town in Gambia? In Gambia. And so I think what happened was, after the independence of Ghana, around 1957. Yeah. So getting to November, some of the elders, and on the same year, wow, same year, wow, that was when they decided to embark on this journey to explore, how Africa is, to,
una dey hear am?
let's say, to seek.
Na Ghana be this, oh. Na Ghana be this, oh. Ghana leave Ghana. They left Ghana.
Okay. Yeah. So what happened was, around that year, they decided to go to Freetown. Freetown, which is Sierra Leone. Okay. But initial thought was to get to Freetown. Okay. But when they got to Senegal waters, the captain told them that instead of dropping them at Freetown, he has forgotten, and then they were already, they're already in Senegal waters. So if they like, he can drop them in his next stop, which is in France. France, okay. Yeah. So that ship was going to France? They were going to France. Yeah. Okay. Was it Slowway kind of stuff? No, it's not Slowway. They did everything legal. They were, I can say they were legal hustlers. So that means that ship by that time...
Illegal hustlers. You see how Ghana people left Ghana and went to Gambia and they established empire.
So when the captain told them that, they said, no, they are fishermen. What are they going to do in France? In fact, and that is not the destination. So the captain said, okay, then you can leave them in Senegal. So that was how they dropped in Dakar, and then they contacted the Ghanaian ambassador, the Ghanaian embassy at that time, and then they were lodged in Dakar for some couple of months. Okay. Then they look at the work that was going on there. It was not very fruitful. Okay. So they moved from Senegal, and then they came to Gambia. Yeah, they sent some of the others. I think they sent 4 of them. My granddad was the secretary. Oh, okay. His name is Samuel Amwa. Okay. With other guys, with other elders, they came to explore Gambia. They first went to Bakau. Yeah. Before Bakau, they were.
Una dey see am?
So they checked.
Una dey see how Ghana people left Ghana 1958 and settled in Gambia.
For the sea, they have to know how their sales will go.
Landlord travel and see, oh. Na so we dey. Landlord travel and see. Ghana people travel and see. See how Ghanaians left Ghana and went to establish in Gambia 1958.
He was here before 57. Wow. He has already established here. Wow. People knowing him already. Wow. So his name was Amankwa. Wow. So, these our elders met with him. He was also a hunter and a teacher. Wow. So the Gambians were calling him Mankwa. Mankwa is over. Mankwa. So what happened was he brought them to the foot, which is our village here. Yeah. So they went there and then they made.
You see the village?
And the elders.
Have you seen the village? See the village Ghana people they built in Gambia. No only they live here. 98% of them is Ghana. They speak their Ghana language. They speak Ghana.
So they told the Alcalo at that time.
They carry their culture, carry their wives, carry their concubine, headed to Gambia till today, since 1958. You see, they have king, oh. Okay. You see, Igbo King must go. Igbo King must go. Igbo King must go. You can see that your Ghana people carry your Ghana people when they travel to Gambia, settle down there, have their king, have their chief, have their wife, have their concubines. You see, Chinatown shop. You see, Chinatown shop. Shame on you people. You're rubbish.
I'm actually writing the history of Ghana. You have to go to the read. I think you will be the first to. Sure. Yeah, sure. What happened was when they came in the early 1961, there was a little coup d'etat in the Ghana.
Credit to the source of this video. Credit to the source. Rubbish. Because we need to show you people. If we don't show, some of you don't do research. Some of you don't do research. That's why you are telling your visitor to leave. Igbo must leave. Igbo must leave. They are doing criminality. Now you when know they do criminality. You see, they say they travel to that place illegally.
Most people over 40 use ChatGPT like it's Google. Copy, paste, ask a basic question, move on. That's not how smart people use AI. Tomorrow, we're starting the 20.
I'm coming. Oh, we have not done. There is advert. That's why I remove it. You're gonna watch it yourself. How Ghana people see Ghana, they went there with their culture. They went to Gambia with their culture. Wait. We'll go today. We'll go finish and today here. You see, this is Chinatown. This is Ghana. Ghana in Gambia. This is Ghana in Gambia. They went here. They carry their culture. They carry their wives. They carry their concubines. They carry their children. They carry their goats. They carry their fowl. They carry their everything and headed to Gambia. Settled there till today. Since 1958 till today. They are there till, oh, there's no volume. Let me put volume. I removed the volume because of advert.
Ismail Jan. Okay. No, which I got in. I'm put your Ghana. From the central region of Ghana, Korea, from the Ekufimuna. Wow. No, but you, about some see, I'm from Ghana. But you are the member in young people.
When they see him,
Okay.
when they see him, say Ghana too, they live for another man country, build their own empire, build their kingdom there, live there since 1958 till today. When they see him, they carry their culture, they carry their language. Now Igbo must go, Nigeria must go. Una they do riot, una they do protest. See and now, see and here, see it here now. That Ghana too is also a visitor in another country. When you allow yourself, then they gaslight you. Fake politicians that are in Nigeria are gaslighting your people. You know, their paymasters are sharing their money. You know, this is Ghana Empire in Gambia. You are a Ghana person. You understand the language. I don't understand what they are saying. This is Ghana language. Oh. Ghana people travel all the way from Ghana, settle down in Gambia with their language, with their culture, with their wives, with their concubines, with their goats, with everything. They are speaking Ghana in another man's country. They built their empire there, built their everything, built their homes. Nobody is disturbing them. Then say Igbo must go. Igbo must go. Shame on you. Imagine. Yeah? Africa is telling your fellow Africa. You know? Even if not Africa, everybody is allowed anywhere in the world. Hence, you're up to 18 years. You are free to live anywhere you want to live in the world. You see? See how they are speaking Ghana in Gambia, in their kingdom. 98% of the people living in this place, they are all Ghanaians. Shame on you, people. Ghana town in another man's country. That is what people are making all this noise up and about. Igbo must go. If Igbo go from Ghana, they're going to die. This is it. Oh. This is them speaking Ghana language in Gambia. Una dey see am? This is Ghana people that settled in another man's country, in Gambia. This Ghana they are speaking is not in Ghana. Oh. This is in Gambia.
So he's the leader of the community in Ghana town. Anything can call him to verify and ask for any information you want to know. Or if you want to come and visit them, you can do so as well. It's about is Ben who's raising I don't know how no chop bad I don't mean I've done the special because fancy the or no it's now yeah go and what to know the guy na the crown that one bench okay.
So una don see am ba? So make I close it. At least una don see am. There are many of them like this, many videos like this, many Ghana videos like this, where Ghana people settle different parts of the world. Now una dey make noise, say Igbo people they live for your place, this and that, this and that. Igbo people they live for. Is it only Igbo people they live for some another place? Ghana people also they live for another country. Ghana people they are in Nigeria. They built their estate. I have shown their estate here. I have shown Ghana estate here in Nigeria. I have shown Ghana estate in Nigeria. I have shown it. What are you trying to tell us? You know that an African man is not allowed in an African soil. Who does that now? Who does that? He bought land. He bought 200 acres of land. Who sold it to him? Have you called your brother, whoever that sold it to him? Have you? Who sold that land to this man? Somebody, a Ghanaian man, sold this land to the man. I saw one question, one guy like that on Facebook. He was replying my comments. You know, he said, "Tell him, you guys should tell him. Oh, when we are done with him, he will know." When we are done with it, I told him how. I say, landlord, travel and see. He said that he has traveled more than me, this and that. I'm not arguing with you, and I'm not dragging with you whoever that travel more than each other. We don't have anything. Anyway, I'm not in competition with anyone. Okay? Whether you travel the whole world, that's not my business. Anywhere you like, you travel and settle. That's where you want to be. But what I'm saying that everybody is entitled to live anywhere in the world. Hence, you are 18 years old. So this one you are doing is so childish. It's so childish and is an unconstitutional too. You know, you are not supposed to tell anybody not to exist or not to live anywhere he or she wants to live. Because Ghanaians live in Nigeria. They are in Nigeria. They are in America. Here in America, they have a lot of Ghana villages here. Every state, they have one Ghana man, very rich man like that. He has private jets in America. You know, that man have plenty acres of land. There is nothing he did not build in that place. In another man's country, not Ghana. You know, landlord, travel and see now. Travel and see. Oh, you cannot just stay one place and you'll be talking church. No. Travel and see. Travel and see. Travel and see. Ghana people are established different parts of the world. If you're a traveler, you will see it. Don't stay in one place and be talking. Don't stay in one place and talk. Move around. Move around and see that the Ghanaians that you are seeing there in Ghana, big guys, big men in Ghana are not even in Ghana. If you don't know, they are all over the world and they built their empires anywhere they find themselves. You know, and you are here doing politics. Paymasters are paying you to come out and be protesting. You know, paymasters are paying you to come out and protest. You know, because politics are in the air in Nigeria. Politics are in the air and they must grab it, do or die. Anyhow it go be, make it be. They must grab it. Anyhow it go be, make it be. They must grab the power. So they have to start now to paymasters have to start now to do their abracadabra. You know, all what people are saying on internet, listen to them very well. You will know where what they are saying is coming from. You will know. This one no be church. You will know. You know, when you will see a Nigeria person, the person will be saying, it's not all Nigeria, it's Igbo. So Nigeria have divided, right? Have Nigeria now divided? That a Yoruba lady will be making video about this Igbo king, and she will be saying, Nigeria, it's not all Nigeria, it's only Igbo. Okay, in that Igbo, is it all Igbo? In that Igbo land, is it all Igbo that did that? Have some Igbo people have not even come to Ghana before in their life. So why must you not generalize? Igbo people must go. Igbo people must this. Igbo people must. Is it all Igbo that bought half of Ghana? Is it all Igbo that bought half of Ghana? That's my question. And the guy on internet, when he was replying me, he said he traveled from desert. That he has traveled more than me. That he traveled from desert to Libya, from Libya to Italy, from Italy to Germany. That currently he is in Germany. I say, see, and you're a Ghanaian. You are a Ghanaian. You see the corruption. You see the fraud. You see the illegality. You see it. It's everywhere. That's what we're talking about. The guy has already exposed himself on internet now. He has already exposed himself on social media, on Facebook, where he was replying me on this king issue. He was replying me on this king issue. He was replying me. You know, at the same time, he has exposed himself that he traveled through desert. Is it by right, as a good Ghanaian that follow the law? Okay, let's say a good Ghanaian that follows the rule of law. Is that guy now supposed to travel to Italy, Libya through desert? That guy now, is he supposed to travel to Libya through desert? Is it not illegality? Is that not illegal? For somebody to travel, you want to go to abroad, and now you now have to use leg. You take leg, waka for desert. Waka for desert. And when they catch him, if they catch this Ghana man now that was traveling through desert to Libya, he will say he's a Nigerian. They use Nigeria to take shit anywhere they catch them. If they commit atrocity, they commit criminality, anywhere they commit it on earth, you catch them, they will say, I am a Nigerian. And when you catch that one, say Nigerian, I am Igbo. And when you tell that one, speak Igbo, they will be looking at you like this. You know? Because those are the ones they like to paint black. They like painting them black. And Igbos, everybody knows the Igbo people. That this man they are talking about, this Igbo king now in Ghana, they are talking about. This man started from the scratch. This man started selling cassette. Some people are even ridiculing him. Some are mocking him. How can a cassette seller buy half of Ghana? You can see that there is wisdom in whatever anybody do. If you say you will grow by selling pure water, you will grow. If people want to learn, they will even learn from that man. How can a cassette seller come to Ghana and become a billionaire? How did he do it? Go to America. Go to, is it Oxford University? Or Howard? Oxford, one of the universities here. Maybe Howard University here in America. They are learning Igbo language. It's in their curriculum. Go and ask. Go and verify. People that know the word of the Igbos. People that knows the word of the Igbos. Go to America and see it. You can Google it from where you are, please. If you are watching me, Google it from where you are. Google it from where you are. The university in America that offer Igbo as a language in their curriculum. Please Google it where you are. And you will see it. You can apply to read Igbo in America. You can apply to read Igbo, to study Igbo as a course. You can apply in a university in America to study Igbo language, and they will award you bachelor's degree. Okay? And that bachelor's degree, that bachelor, you know, that first degree is the requirement for medical doctor, right? You can read Igbo language. This Igbo that you people are reading. You can read the Igbo language in that university. When I remember it, I will mention it. You can read Igbo language for your first degree and also apply for medical school after you graduate. After you graduated from university and they award you bachelor's degree in Igbo language in America, you can use it to apply for medical doctor in America, and you will get the school. You will get admitted in any university of your choice in America to read medical doctor, to read medicine. You know, they will admit you, they will give you admission to read medicine with Igbo language that you pass. Go and verify is what we are talking about. No, it's not boasting. Go and verify. Go to North Carolina in America. Go to North Carolina in America. Go to North Carolina in America. Go to North Carolina and see the governor of North Carolina recently award Igbo people. He awarded Igbo people every June 14. Every June 14 is Igbo Day in North Carolina. In North Carolina, it's in their constitution now. It's in their constitution. Yes. Go there and find out. It's in their constitution. These Igbo people, you are looking down. Igbo must go. Igbo must go. Because Igbo man bought plenty acres of land. Or maybe you people, maybe they are, because when I was small, I was hearing when they were saying that Nigeria was saying Ghana must go. Ghana must go. Maybe they are just trying to do reverse case. See, it cannot be the same. It cannot be the same. Because Ghana must go. You know that there is difference between that your Ghana must go and the one you are singing Nigeria must go. This is, you are dealing with one individual that bought plenty lands, and genuinely he said he will buy. He did not buy. That man, I had another interview he granted. He said he did not buy. When the thing did not work, that he forgot, he just forget the whole thing. He left the whole thing, that it didn't work out, and he went his way. But because he has said it and it is on internet doesn't forget. Internet doesn't forget. You know, somebody may one day browsing one thing and the thing will come up and say, so somebody said this kind of thing. He's gonna build a kingdom in a kingdom. He's gonna build a kingdom in Ghana. Who does that? And the person forgot to or forgets to check the date of that publication. You refuse to check the publication date. When you see that, this you will not check the date. We have to do better. As Africans, we have to do better. Beg. We have to do better. Otherwise, we are not heading anywhere. You know, not heading anywhere. Now, make Igbo people they use on they clean yash. You see, now you see how African countries they rally around. They had meeting the other day with American president. You see how some of them they behave like something I don't understand. I don't know when we are going to grow up. I don't know. This world, we came and met this world, and we are going to leave it one day. We came, we met this world, and we are going to leave it. This one is Nigeria. This one is Gambia. This one is Canada. This one is America. Who divided it? God created us. God never divided anything. God never gave any name to anything. God created the world. It is people inside that divided, subdivide. We have to learn to accommodate each other. We have limited time on this earth. We have to learn to accommodate each other. We have limited time on this earth. Wherever you find yourself is your home. Wherever you find yourself is your home. There are Ghanaians all over the world. They are doing well. They are doing pretty well wherever they are. I meet many of them here. Many of them, there are many Ghanaians. They are doing very, very pretty well outside the country, outside Ghana. They will not make all what they need inside Ghana. All what Ghana need, they cannot get all inside Ghana. You have to travel out of Ghana to get the one that is not inside Ghana. There are some that Ghana have. There are some Ghana don't have. So those ones Ghana don't have, those needs, human needs, according to Maslow's hierarchy of need, there are different steps of needs. It has different steps. I can't remember all of them, but I know first one is physiological need. The second one is safety need. The third one is it esteem need, or something like that. Up like that, you continue. So according to how God created us, that is how human want is. And you cannot get human need complete, all of them in one place. In Ghana cannot get everything they need in Ghana. If you say now, okay, no, Ghana should travel out of Ghana, they cannot survive. You have to coexist with people before you'll be able to survive. Only Nigeria alone cannot survive. No country can survive alone. You have to coexist with other people. Nobody is supporting criminality. Nobody is supporting bad character, bad behavior. As I am, I don't. But I don't see what somebody bought land. I don't see the criminality in it. Or is it because the land is too much, plenty land? Or because he said, oh, I'm going to build Igbo village. But people build Igbo village everywhere. In Virginia, we have Igbo village here. Everything that you see in Igbo land is in America. Everything that you see in Igbo land in Africa, you will see the same thing exactly in North Carolina, in Virginia. Even chicken, hen, fowl, all those things you see in the villages, they are all there. On our own no go dey different. So una in-law wey marry una sister, what of that una sister? The way you people are talking about this thing and you are getting so angry about it, and this man married your sister. That your sister, is she not a citizen of Ghana? The wife of this man, is she not a citizen of Ghana? Is she not a co-owner of that land? Is your sister not a co-owner of that land? Now that all of you are doing like this, that the Igbo man must go, Igbo man, but he married your sister. Is he going to carry the land on his head and go to Nigeria? Land is a real estate. He can only appreciate. Land is a real estate. He can only appreciate. Is he movable? You cannot carry land to anywhere. What land appreciates? What land do? What land does is that it appreciates. You can't carry it. You can't lift it. You can't move it. It's where it is, in Ghana soil. This man cannot carry this land on his head. Say, oh, I'm carrying my land on my head. Oh, I bought 250 acres of land in Ghana, and I'm going back to Nigeria, and I'm going to carry my land. I'm going to carry my land, carry my wife, carry my concubines, carry my children, carry my goat, carry my everything, carry it on the head and travel to Nigeria. It is not possible. All of you knows that. The boundary is bounding. The boundary is bounding. Okay? It's already bounded by the neighboring countries around Ghana. It already bounded with the neighboring country around Ghana. There is no way that man will be traveling back to Nigeria. He will carry land on his head. And he married a Ghanaian, oh, and that his wife is a Ghana citizen. And the wife is also the owner of that land. You are following the man to make trouble. You're also following your sister too. You are making wahala with your in-law. You're also making wahala with your sister. So you're more or less, you're telling your sister, well, abeg, go, go, go. Your own sister, oh, how will she feel? How will your sister feel when you tell your sister to leave Ghana? Come out, leave Ghana for us, you and your husband. The husband is the foreigner. What of your sister now? What of your sister? Make we make it make sense, abeg. Make we make it make sense. Try to make it make sense. You know, people are involved. Your own people are involved. Your sister is there. The children are there. Make it make sense. When you are saying Igbo must go, Igbo people must go. Igbo people are not afraid to go, because you know Igbo people. Igbo people are like mustard seed. Eh? When you throw them on a dry land, they will still germinate. Ask question. All these things you are saying now, this man live. The man has lived his life. He lived in Ghana for over 30 years. So even if he relocate to Nigeria now, he's still okay. All right? But we just want to put things straight. We just want to put things straight, guys. We want to put things straight. Everybody, we love each other. Nigerians love Ghana. Ghanaians love Nigeria. And that's why this man was able to marry from Ghana. It's not that he didn't see girls in Igbo land or in Nigeria to marry. He married in Ghana. He left when he was young. Over 30 years, and look at, he's still looking young. That's to tell you that this man was very young when he left. They said he was selling cassettes. Abeg, make we make it make sense. Abeg, please. Yeah. Make we make it make sense. I'll leave it here till next time. We'll still talk, because I still have other things to address on this matter, because I saw videos that people made. That is why I didn't want to make this video safe. It's because I saw a lot of video people made. That's why I say no. I have to come and say these things. Say it, yeah, say it as it is, and also show you people that also Ghana travels too, and they also build their empire wherever they find themselves. They build their own villages. Ghana build their own villages everywhere they find themselves. They build their empire. They build their homes. They build their estates. Go to Abuja, you will see Ghana people in action. Go to Abuja. Go to Abuja, Nigeria, and see Ghana men. Not all these things you people are doing. Go and see Ghana men in Abuja in action. You know, even this thing now, this man is doing his math. He's running his math. He want to build this. He want to build that. Go to Abuja and see where Ghana people are doing things, running things, but you can't see them talk too much. Go to Abuja and see Ghana estate. Go to Port Harcourt. Go to Lagos, Yaba. They have Ghana village in Yaba. Go to Yaba. If you go to that Ghana village, it's only Ghana they speak there. You know. Go to Abuja. You see, there's one man. If you see his estate in Abuja, hey, oh my goodness. If you see that man's estate in Abuja, you will not even believe that he's a foreigner, because he has already blended with the Nigerian culture. He has blended with the whole thing. You know, you will never know. If he speak like this, you will never know that he's a Ghanaian. You will think that he's a Nigerian, but he's not a Nigerian. He's a Ghana. You know, nobody is disturbing him. Nobody is worrying him. Nobody is giving him trouble. He's living there comfortably, okay. You know, on this earth, anybody have every right. Hence, you're of age. You have right to live anywhere you find yourself, anywhere that is comfortable to you. You know, This world, God created this world. He didn't give any demarcation. It is wicked people on this earth that came and divided and divided. Politicians came and divide and subdivide and subdivide, and they are still dividing till tomorrow to suit them. Like now, politics is on air in Nigeria. Now, paymasters are paying their bloggers to come and be ranting online. Who they want to bring down, the tribe they want to bring down. Make it make sense. Abeg. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please drop your comment on the comment section. If you want to like the video, please like the video if you want. If you don't want, no problem. Many people already like my video since. So if you want to like. If you don't want to like, no problem. Okay? But the message is passed. Ghana people, landlord, travel and see. Ghana people are all over the world. They are all over the world and they are doing pretty good. Okay? They build their empires, they build their estates, they build their villages, they build their communities. Even in America, I've attended Ghana church where they built their own church. They use Ghana language to serve mass there. They built their own church here in America. They built their own church. They use Ghana language to even serve mass. What are you telling me? You know? What are you telling me? They're everywhere. It's only when, if you don't travel, that is when, okay, you don't travel. But if you travel, man, anybody that also travel to your end, you are not supposed to frown at it. And when you build estates, you build the empire, you build kingdom everywhere you find yourself, like the one Ghana built in Gambia. They built Ghana town in Gambia, and that Gambia, they speak their language till today. They speak their language till today in that place, in Gambia. Research it. Make a research on it. You will see that I'm not lying. You know, don't treat your visitors, your in-law, as if they are trash. Don't. You know, we are all human beings and we all have limited time on this earth. Whether you somebody buy you or not, somebody must buy one day. Nature, they buy person too. You know, nature dey. When time come, nature go end them. No matter any amount you like have on this earth, when time come, when anybody time don reach, the person go just answer call. You see, the person go just answer call, waka, leave everything, waka. That is why now we no need to overdrag things. We no need to overdrag things now. We no need to overdrag things. Okay, I'm gonna. All right, guys. I think we're gonna stop here for now. Guys. Yeah, for now. For now, my brothers and sisters, let us help ourselves. Thank you for watching. Bye.